At Damotech, we have a large network of dealers who can cater to all of your pallet rack safety needs. Whether you manage a warehouse, big or small, or if you manage multiple warehouses, we can service you across North America in every state and in every province. Our field technicians and specialists will walk your facility to perform what we call an on-site damage survey. This is done completely free of charge. But most importantly, we can help you build a roadmap that will help address your rack safety issues and through the course of time, restore the original health of your pallet rack systems. We have over 30 years of experience. We truly have specialized workforce that is trusted. We offer premium rack safety solutions and services. We have unparalleled customer service, and we have a network that spans across North America. We can help address all your uncertainties. We can answer all your questions and provide all the right solutions to restore the health of your pallet racks and ultimately ensure a safe working environment for your employees. This is why we are trusted today by more than half of the Fortune 500 companies across the United States and Canada. My name is Eric Meneg, and I'm the Vice President of Sales at Damotech.